Hello and welcome. It's Kimber Domke, mindful food and fitness coach, and I haven't come to you from the kitchen in a really long time, so I just wanted to share a couple quick tips that I'm really enjoying for summer salads. One of my biggest principles is eating a ridiculous amount of leafy green vegetables and getting multicolored vegetables in your diet. So, what am I loving? Tuscan kale from the Union Square Farmers Market. Super easy, I didn't film this, but super easy to cut it up with scissors. So quick tip, just cut your kale up into teeny bits and you'll have it easier to chew on. I know some people get really obsessive with massaging the kale and all these procedures, but you can keep it super simple, cut it up a little and do the rest of the chewing with your mouth. All right, here's the part I wanted to share with you that I think is super fun. A lot of multicolored carrots are in season right now, and what I love with carrots is a recent discovery, turning the peel into a little salad component. I got out the cutting board and I realized I don't even need it. It's so easy. I'm just shredding the carrot up into the salad. These shredded carrots can also be super to include in a saute pan. It almost gives you the illusion of noodles if you prepare a large amount. All right, and mix it up for a little extra color. If you're picky about not eating the skin, obviously set that part aside. Once it's clean, I'm not obsessive, so I just want a mix of color and shred here. And another thing I've been talking about with a lot of clients recently is kind of the mindfulness component that we can bring into preparing our food. So I know sometimes it feels like preparing food is stressful, or we have so much going on in our day, but even something as simple as this of shredding a carrot can be a really peaceful activity if you let your brain indulge it as such. All right, enough of that for now. And what else I add into this easy salad? Really anything that suits you, anything that you feel is flavorful, but a bit of olive oil, super easy balsamic vinegar, and I'll toss a little bit of salt and pepper with this as well. So my idea for you today is enjoy some brightly colored carrots, awesome summer carrot colors to have, and try some fun new ideas of preparing them. So get them into your salad by peeling, by shredding them up. You can use these same little peeled shards on the stove and have a noodle-like dish and get all of your veggies in early and often to displace all the other junk foods that don't make you feel so amazing. Thanks for watching and bearing with my camera angle from above, trying to show you, creating a little bit of color, a little bit of fun with the summer salad. Thanks so much. Ciao for now from Kimber, mindful food and fitness coach.